Have you noticed that AI UGC ads are everywhere right now?
If you're planning to watch the tournament with friends,
If you ever wondered how you can create these ads yourself or resell it to clients, then this video is for you. Whether you're scrolling TikTok, Instagram Reels, Facebook, or YouTube Shorts, brands are consistently using creator-style videos because they convert well. But hiring creators, filming content, and editing videos takes a lot of time and money. Just ask me. For many brands, producing UGC ads consistently is just too difficult and too expensive. And today I'm going to show you a solution that you can use for your UGC ads, and you can also sell it to clients. So today I'm going to show you how to create AI UGC ad using Lovart, the world's first AI design agent. Unlike traditional AI image generators, Lovart helps you plan, design, and create complete marketing assets, including social content, brand visuals, ad creatives, and videos. By the end of this video, we'll take a simple product idea, turn it into a professional AI-generated UGC ad. For this example, let's imagine we're launching a World Cup merch line featuring jerseys, scarves, hats, and fan accessories. Our goal is to create authentic-looking UGC content featuring football fans showing off the merch and sharing their excitement without hiring real content creators or filming anything ourselves. Okay, so let's jump into Lovart. One of the first things you'll notice is that everything happens inside a single infinite canvas, which is really cool. And instead of switching between multiple tools for branding, image generation, design, editing, and video creation, everything stays connected in one workspace. I'll start with a simple prompt. Create a World Cup merchandise campaign featuring jerseys, scarves, hats, and fan accessories. Generate visual brand identity, product visuals, and social media assets. Rather than generating a single image, Lovart acts as a creative partner. It develops campaign idea, creates marketing assets, and keeps everything aligned under one brand identity. Within moments, Lovart generates a complete visual identity for the campaign, product mockups, and social media graphics. Now, let's say I want to make a quick change to one of the social graphics. Maybe the headline isn't perfect. Using text edit, I can instantly change it to what I want. For example, you can change it like this. The design updates immediately without leaving the canvas. Next, let's use Touch Edit. Maybe I want to replace the background with a more energetic one to match the dynamic nature of football. I simply select the area, describe the change, and Lovart updates that part of the image while keeping everything else intact. And if I want the jerseys to stand out even more, I can simply reposition it using Move Objects. This makes it easy to refine layouts without rebuilding the design. Now let's move to the most exciting part, creating the AI UGC ad. I'll give Lovart a new instruction. Create UGC style video featuring a woman football fan showcasing this World Cup merchandise, include jersey, scarf, hat unboxings, match day reactions with the merchandise, and selfie style shots. Lovart first generates the visual assets and creator scenes. Once we have the images we like, we can turn them into videos directly inside the workflow using integrated AI video models. The results look very similar to the kind of content creators post every day. And because everything is AI generated, it's easy to test multiple creative angles quickly. For our final ad, let's create a simple fan testimonial. The creator appears on the screen wearing a team jersey and says, "Just got my World Cup merch and I had to show you guys. The quality is actually way better than I expected and the jersey fits perfectly. I've already got my scarf and hat ready for the match, so if you're planning to watch the tournament with friends, this definitely helps you get into the World Cup spirit." So what's especially great is that everything stays connected to the larger campaign. From the same project, we can generate Instagram posts, stories, website banners, promotional graphics, and additional video variations, all with consistent visual style. So that's what makes Lovart different from traditional AI image generator. Instead of creating isolated assets, it helps you build complete marketing campaigns from a single workflow. So whether you're launching a product, building a brand, creating social content, or producing UGC ads, you can do it all at once in one single workspace. So if you'd like to try it yourself, I dropped the link to Lovart in the description below. Check it out. It's a great platform. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in this video next.